Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix a Payoneer account under review issue calmly and correctly. This status usually appears when Payoneer is checking your account for security or compliance reasons. First, log in and check notifications or emails to see what Payoneer needs. Open the review message and read the instructions carefully. You may be asked to confirm personal details, business information, or payment sources. Provide accurate answers and upload clear documents if requested. Make sure all information matches your account profile exactly. Avoid making changes or transactions while the review is active. After submitting everything, wait patiently, as reviews can take a few business days. Do not submit multiple tickets because that can slow the process. Once approved, your account will return to normal and full access will be restored. Subscribe the channel for more videos.